Hi, good morning and good evening everyone. So I'm going to share you some video about unboxing the WD external hard disk 1.5 TB that just received a few moments ago. So here is the product that I received from Flipkart, and it was a soon delivery. I got it, and it come with a good packing. Let's start unpacking it. I'm just trying to open with my one hand because I'm recording the other hand. So here is my 1.5 TB WD external hard disk. It's matte finished and looking super good, and it fits in my palm and nice to play with. Let's see what else we got from the box. So we got one instruction booklet, and we got the cable wire to connect with the computer. So that's it from the box. So it was 1.5 TB, but when you connect to computer, so we can see it's 1.36 TB because there's some application setup that will be using some of the memory space. So when trying the data transfer, I can see the data is between 30 to 50 MB per second when it is a single file. So when it goes to multiple files, it usually reduces the speed because the indexing need to be taken care. So for example, so if you see another data transfer that I tried today, so it was between 70 to 80 MBs. So here you can see the data transfer speed is 70 to 80 MB, where we see the one file with a large space is copied much faster, but when it comes to files with smaller spaces, the speed reduces. It's due to the indexing that is going behind. So it gradually decreases from 70 to 30s. So this is normal, and if anyone is trying to buy this WD external hard disk, I will suggest you go for it. It's a nice selection. Thanks everyone for watching.